Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 BAS 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFRGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFRGE Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer designed for beginners and pros who want fast, reliable, and precise printing in a compact desktop size. Priced around $239, this printer is positioned as a budget-friendly high-speed machine. Considering its 600 mm per second max speed and auto-leveling features, it offers strong value compared to many entry-level 3D printers. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second for rapid prototyping. Fully automatic bed leveling for hassle-free setup. 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder supports a wide range of filaments. Core XY all-metal structure for stability and precision at high speeds. 3-second detachable nozzle system for quick maintenance. 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume suitable for most daily projects. Compact design with enclosed, durable build for consistent results. Pros: extremely fast printing speed for the price. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Solid Core XY structure improves print stability. Quick nozzle swapping saves maintenance time. Cons: smaller build volume compared to larger printers. High-speed printing may require tuning for best quality. Entry-level software experience may feel limited for advanced users. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Meet the Creality K2 SE 3D printer, a high-speed Core XY style machine built for faster, cleaner, and more advanced 3D printing with multicolor support. Priced around $299, the K2 SE sits in the mid-budget range, but offers premium-level features like 500 mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and multicolor CFS support, making it strong value for makers and hobbyists. Up to 500 mm per second high-speed printing for rapid output. Multicolor printing support via CFS system for creative projects. Automatic bed leveling for easy first-time setup. Solid metal frame improves stability and reduces vibration. Direct drive extruder for flexible and detailed filament control. Quick swap nozzle system for fast maintenance and less downtime. 220 by 215 by 245 mm build volume for everyday to medium projects. Designed for smooth PC-based slicing and workflow integration. Pros: very fast printing speed, great for productivity. Multicolor capability adds creative flexibility. Stable metal construction improves print quality. Easy maintenance with quick swap nozzle system. Cons: slightly higher price than basic printers. Multicolor system may require extra setup learning. Build volume is average, not for very large prints. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a next-gen Core XZ 3D printer built for ultra-fast printing, precision, and larger creative projects. Priced around $378, this model sits in the mid-range category, but delivers 600 mm per second high-speed performance, auto-leveling, and a large build size, making it a strong upgrade over classic Ender models. Core XZ motion system with up to 600 mm per second speed for ultra-fast printing. Fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup and consistent results. Direct drive extruder for better filament control and flexible materials. Tri-metal nozzle design improves durability and heat resistance. Sturdy metal frame for stability during high-speed printing. Large build volume, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 inches for bigger models. Optimized for smooth slicing and PC-based workflow integration. Pros: very high printing speed for faster production. Large build size compared to many budget printers. Strong stability with upgraded Core XZ structure. Easy to use with auto-leveling system. Cons: higher price than basic Ender 3 models. High-speed tuning may be needed for best print quality. Slight learning curve for beginners upgrading from entry-level printers. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a beginner-friendly 3D printer upgraded for faster printing, easier setup, and smoother everyday use. Priced around $219, this is one of the most affordable upgraded Ender printers. With 250mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and direct drive extrusion, it delivers strong value for beginners and hobbyists. Up to 250mm per second print speed for faster results than classic Ender models. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling for easy, accurate first prints. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder supports PLA, PTG, and flexible TPU. Dual Z-axis system improves stability and print precision. Compact build volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Auto filament loading system for easier setup and material changes. Optimized Ender upgrade design for smoother user experience. Pros: very affordable upgraded 3D printer. Easy setup with auto leveling system. Good material compatibility including TPU. Stable prints thanks to dual Z-axis system. Cons: smaller build volume than V3 Plus models. Slower than high-speed 500/600 mm/s printers. Basic frame compared to more premium Core XZ machines. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, an affordable high-speed 3D printer designed for beginners who want easy setup and reliable everyday printing. Priced around $186, this is one of the cheapest upgraded Ender 3 printers. With 250mm per second speed, auto-leveling, and direct drive extrusion, it delivers excellent value for entry-level creators. Up to 250mm per second printing speed for faster production. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling for easy, accurate calibration. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder supports PLA, PTG, and flexible TPU. Dual Z-axis system improves stability and print precision. Aluminum frame build for durability and rigidity. Auto filament loading system for simple material handling. Print volume, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches for small to medium projects. Easy assembly design for beginners. Pros: very budget-friendly price. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Good upgrade from basic Ender models. Supports flexible materials like TPU. Cons: smaller build size. Not suitable for large-scale printing. Slower than newer 500/600 mm/s printers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly 3D printer to start your printing journey, check the link in the description for the best current price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more 3D printer reviews and comparisons.